can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nia, and today we are finally decorating for Christmas. We have been working on moving into our new apartment, and I really don't have that much decorating to do in here just yet because I was really just trying to get ourselves situated. But I did purchase this tree off of Amazon for $100, so it was a really great steal. In case you guys are interested, I will have that linked down below, but I really did want to focus on putting up a Christmas tree. Riley loves Christmas. She loves decorating, so I knew this was definitely something that would brighten up her day. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. We're putting little bits of touches of Christmas in here, getting a little bit of cleaning done, so definitely tons of motivation for you guys.
Like I'm awake inside of a dream. You're getting closer, night's almost over. I might just ask you to leave now with me. Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I afraid to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So I say, can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You are all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. Take my eyes on you. Yeah. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes on you. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes off. Can't take my eyes on you. You are all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You are all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. Take my eyes on you.
The one thing about getting a new Christmas tree is literally having to fluff out every single one of these. It definitely took some time to get through all of this, but in the end, it turned out really nice. And then I'm gonna go in and start adding all of the lights. Now, guys, I really wanted to get a pre-lit tree, but the prices for trees these days, for me personally, I just thought it was way out of budget. So I ended up picking this one up, and we're just gonna have to manually put and add all the lights on, which is also yet another task.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.
This year, I was going for more of a classic gold and red look. I've definitely done this before, and everything on the tree is super affordable. Half of it is honestly from the Dollar Tree. Guys, you know I love to make dollar store things work. So I actually picked up this ribbon from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago, and I love just draping it down the tree. Now, the thing about this is you want to literally stuff the ribbon into the tree thing and just let it fall nicely. It doesn't have to be straight. You can go do it diagonal. You can give it a nice flow. And once you have all of that stuff up, then we started to add all of the red poinsettias. I had gotten these from the Dollar Tree probably about maybe 3 or 4 years ago. I can't really remember, but it came with each stem had about like 4 or 5 flowers on them, and I just ended up ripping them apart, and they are the perfect little touch of red for Christmas. I really enjoyed these. And then I did also pick up these reindeers that have a red bow on them from the Dollar Tree as well. Guys, do not sleep on the Dollar Tree ornaments and Christmas decor because you can literally make your tree look so nice. It is the next day, and yes, we are putting some more furniture together. I had made a couple of stops off at IKEA before moving in here, and this is the collapse shelf that I really wanted to put in Riley's room. It's going to help organize all of her toys, and I thought this would be the perfect place to also decorate in her room a little bit for Christmas.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I, baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry.
While I was putting the shelf together, clearly Riley was in her room making a big old mess. So before I can move this in here, I just have to put everything back into the bin.
We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
All right, so this fits perfectly. And right now I am just gonna put like the white bins. I think I might have some extra ones. I brought it in here. Put some extra ones down at the bottom. But I did want to get these like wicker basket type ones from IKEA. I think they are still out of stock, but I'll put them up on the screen so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. And then I'll show you a picture of exactly what I'm trying to get this to look like. So I do eventually want to get, what's it called? There you are.
Guys, look. Tee.
Mm-hmm. I do eventually want to put some peel and stick wallpaper up here just to add a little bit of like fun to the room and all of that kind of stuff, but I'm glad it fits perfectly. And then we do have this space right against the wall, which I'll probably put some of her bookshelves that are currently on the wall, because that's just literally the best place to put them, so you maximize the space.
Tonight, said I want to make stories.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a bird, following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason.
To decorate in Riley's room, I brought these mini little wreaths, so I figured we would put that on the door. And I also have a wooden R for Riley, and I thought that would be the perfect little touch on the door. And then I also have this cute little like Dollar Tree tree. It kind of reminds me of the Charlie Brown tree, if you guys know what I'm talking about. And then I found a little bit of string with like these red and white balls, and then I had made a little sign that said fa la la a couple years back, so we're gonna put that up as well.
till you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart.
To hang up the garland on the shelf, I'm using these mini command hooks. It comes in a pack. I thought these were perfect because this way, after the holidays, it's easy just to tear them and rip them right off, and you don't have to worry about it ruining any type of furniture or walls or anything like that. Also, what I did not end up showing you guys in this video is I did end up making her a cute little 12 days of Christmas advent calendar, which I put up on the wall, and I also ended up using the hooks as well. You guys can head over to my Instagram because I did a whole reel. It is literally the cutest thing, and it's just something that she can look forward to every single night to open up a nice little treat until Christmas.